Hello and welcome to another update on Link. I'm not yet convinced that Chainlink has formed the low, so we might still see it go down lower, especially the risk for that is high as long as the market cannot break above initial resistances. Question might be, what are these initial resistances? If you watched the last videos, then you know about it. Between $15.06 and $16.76. This is our micro resistance area here on the chart. I really don't have a very clear micro count here, but what could be the case is that in a more bearish scenario, this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and we go down like this, which is why we have resistance on the chart. I'm not saying we've bottomed, but based on the wave count, I mean, the minimum requirements even here for this Z wave to the downside are complete. And to be honest, it doesn't have much more room anyway in a bullish scenario. There is not much room left to the downside because the $13.30 level, the 78.6 retracement of that last rally, is kind of the last reliable support for wave 2. So 13.30 has always been, since August. It's been the key support level to watch. And so we're holding above it, but I need a setup to the upside. I need a break above resistance to be more positive about the idea that we could have bottomed. Already talked here on the 10th, 11th of October about a possible reversal, but I constantly stated that none of these movements to the upside looked like 5-wave movements. They were all 3-wave movements to the upside. And essentially this morphed into a sideways range, basically a triangle, which then resulted in another low. So it was all choppy corrective price action. This doesn't necessarily confirm we have to go lower, but it also leaves us without bottoming confirmation. And now we have that one more low. And the good news about triangles, I have to say, if the interpretation is correct and this was really a triangle as in this X wave in yellow, then typically the triangle is the second to last move of a cycle. So in this case, if this is a corrective pullback cycle, which started at the high in August, then a triangle is typically followed by one more move. And then this should be it. Now again, it's all about probabilities. There are no certainties here, but this kind of is what we normally observe. And this is in line with Elliott Wave rules and guidelines. So to confirm that we have hit a low, we need a break at least above $16.76, and it needs to be a move above that level in 5 waves. A better signal would be a break above $17.65. Until then, expect some further downside. And if we talk about the bigger picture, which is important as well, let's take a look at the larger time frame there, long-term chart, yeah. It's important to recognize, what would happen if we break below this 13.30 level here. You see the bigger picture. Well, we will likely re-enter the lower support zone between $6.90 and $10.72. This would be a larger support zone below, with additional support at around $8.94. So yeah, that's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our membership, and also feel free to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. Sometimes video updates are shared there a little earlier. So if you don't want to miss anything, check it out. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.